A manufacturing company in Everett, Washington had money stolen from them by the very person they entrusted to handle their financial records. The employee in question, Christin Guillory, held a job as an accounting manager and, for 10 years, carried out an embezzlement scheme that saw her take over $2.5 million from her employer. The Department of Justice did not disclose the manufacturer's name, but Guillory's LinkedIn profile suggests that her employer was Majestic Glove, a supplier of personal protective equipment. According to a U.S. Attorney's office, Guillory stole the money by sending funds to accounts she created with the names of fake companies. She then routed the money to her personal bank accounts. A plea agreement said Guillory set up an account with a payment processor called Square. Guillory, however, designed the account to resemble a commercial shipping company and paid nearly $1.7 million to it between 2014 and 2019. Guillory hid her acts by recording false accounting entries in company books. Guillory's Square account was shut down in 2019, and she continued her scheme with a pair of PayPal accounts. One account had a name similar to her employer's, and the other had the name of a shipping company with no ties to Guillory. Just like with the Square account, Guillory recorded fake entries and transferred $604,000. In 2021, Guillory stopped using the payment processors to carry out her fraud and transferred $247,000 straight from her company to her personal bank accounts with the help of reused invoices to feign business payments. Guillory is estimated to have made at least 867 secret transactions. She pled guilty to wire fraud and tax fraud charges and faces up to 20 years in prison. However, prosecutors will recommend no more than 41 months in prison. I'm Nolan Beilstein, this is IEN Now.